Good, way too early morning. Don't tell me to shh. Hey Chris, good morning, buddy.
Good morning.
So, believe it or not, I've actually never been to a Cars and Coffee event. And I think I'm starting to understand why, being that they hold them at like the butt crack of dawn. I don't see what's wrong with drinking coffee at like 10 in the morning, but apparently 7 in the morning is like, yeah, you have to have Cars and Coffee at 7 in the morning. So,
It's really not that early, man.
we got our good buddy Chris out of bed. We're gonna jump in the old BBB build. We're gonna head over to Cars and Coffee. This will be its kind of first debut, being that we raised it up to maybe 3 inches. What do you think, Chris? How do you like it?
That's good.
All right, well, we've made it. We've got the truck parked. We're a little bit early. Jesse, come over here, buddy. I like that you dressed up for the occasion, man. I really do. That is nice. Yeah, this is a heck of an outfit. So you're cruising around like. I see you brought your McLaren out. That's nice. Appreciate that.
Thank you.
Yeah, it looks great, man.
Yeah, it's on lift mode right now, so we're gonna go off-roading a little bit later.
Oh, nice,
Yeah.
nice. That's lift mode?
Yeah.
How do you drive it when it's lower than that?
You just you watch out for rocks and bumps in the road pretty often.
Oh, all right. All right, Chris. Get over there, buddy. We got some lovely ladies coming. We're gonna cast them for you. You sit there. We'll have the ladies come out.
I'm down.
You're in?
Yeah, let's do this.
All right.
Oh, okay.
So you got the massive intake that goes in, then it gets choked off right there.
Yeah, I see that.
How often do you race it?
I don't have a tow vehicle. I don't have a trailer.
Wow. So he does drive it on the street.
I'm gonna drive it out after this is over. I'm gonna drive it for the first time in 9 months, just around here to circulate fluids in the gearbox.
Damn, that honestly blows my mind.
Not street legal though, right?
Yeah, look at the pipes too.
I'll probably get a ticket if there's a cop around here, but whatever.
You're definitely going to get attention with all that sound.
Well, that's why I'm gonna do it on a Saturday because there'll be less traffic around here.
So we didn't end up doing a whole lot of filming at the Cars and Coffee this morning. We ended up just doing a lot of hanging out, and there was another big Cars and Coffee going on, so there wasn't a ton of different vehicles there. So that being said, I know we've been needing a project vehicle for the channel, and I decided, let's let Chris pick something for us. So it's, I gave him a budget. I told him it has to be diesel, and he told me he found it. So we're gonna see. He's supposed to be bringing it here. He's calling me. Let's see what he's got. I think it'd be cool to have like some type of beater project that we could really just mess around with here. Now that we got all of the warehouse space, we should start putting it to use. So let's see what Chris has. Oh my God.
Classic.
Now I was thinking more like truck. What? Turbo, I mean, that is the requirement, right? That is one big requirement. I've been wanting to build like a cool off-road car. This is probably a little heavy for what we're thinking, but I mean, I bet there's some real steel in this bad boy. I think I gave you a budget of more than this.
You pocket the rest.
I just want to make sure we didn't spend the whole budget on this.
No.
We're good? We're good. I'm good with that then. Let's check this thing out. Woo! Is that the original interior?
Dude, sit down.
Oh! Dang, dude. Just have some fun with this bad boy. Woo! Look at that. Is that simulated? That wood grain's almost as nice as comes on what the high countries. Dang, man. Is it supposed to shift while it's not on?
Yeah.
All right, screw it. Dang, dude. Dude, is that an 8-track player or is that a side? Or is that a sideways cassette player?
I don't know.
Dang. Does the AC work?
I don't know.
I probably don't want to turn it on. It's got a little smell to the car, but man, look at this bad boy. Woo! Oh, ooh. Well, this has seen a little bit better days here. Look at that. What is this? You gotta see. All right, this is smart. Look at this thing, dude. We got your regular visor, and then you got a visor that goes over top of your rear view mirror. Like now you got full coverage. I wish newer vehicles had that. Oh. All right.
I'm thinking we turn this thing into like a...
Hold on. We got all power seats, lumbar.
Just that side.
Just this side?
Yeah, I don't see that side.
Dang. This is a lap of luxury, dude. Oh man, this thing's sweet. Yeah, check out back seat. Let's come with it.
It leaks a little bit.
All right. Oh, dude, it's got rear AC vents. My truck don't even have. Your truck don't even have that. I'm thinking like, you got a Mercedes diesel. I'm seeing a hood stack.
Oh, for sure.
Right? A sweet hood
Bigger
stack.
tires and rims.
Bigger tires and rims.
Maybe a light bar in front.
Ooh.
Wait.
What?
Get some tow mirrors.
Yeah. Are you okay? Oh no. Thinking we just cut a big old hole right here. Run us a hood stack out.
Okay. Like
Maybe-
how tall would you? Okay.
Like I almost want to clear the roof, but I think it's cooler if you stay a little bit lower, and you let the wind take it over the roof.
Okay.
Maybe put one of those flappers on it. Damn. That's German engineering right there.
Yeah, buddy.
Man. She's a beaut.
That's why I bought her.
I mean, it's my money.
Your money, my money.
So like what you're saying is, like we own our first Mercedes.
Yeah.
I knew it, man. See, kids,
made it.
Everybody says
We
blue
made
collar,
it.
blue collar, you can't get nowhere. Look at this, we're rolling around in a Mercedes. Man, this thing's beautiful.
A classic Mercedes.
Classic. Well, according to the Haggerty Insurance, 15 years old or older is a classic. What year is this?
This is 82.
1982. SD. Does that mean like super diesel?
Yep.
300 super diesel. Now we need a namer. Dave.
Dave?
No. Dude, Dave's gonna love this thing.
What do we got?
We got some dust. And then we got like an OG first aid kit.
Dude,
Look,
got me?
Yeah, you got, oh yeah, dude, you got manufactured for Mercedes-Benz of North America. Look at that. Look at that. This is kind of like when you have a Ferrari, you got to keep the little toolkit that comes with it.
Yep.
Like this is it right here. This is the value of the car right here. Dang, what? This bad boy.
Dude, what do you think?
I think this tire's blown.
Mounted on top?
I can see that. Little pre-runner status.
A little bit,
See what's in the. We got some scissors. We got some sterile band-aids. You think these are all, this has got to be all original, right? Like it's all the same brand. That's pretty sweet. What do we got here? Lamino padding. We're good to go, bro. We got a handbook of first aid. This thing's beautiful, Chris. I like the champagne mustard yellow. This is like, You got. It's kind of like the way that the LBZ I'm looking for. All you can find is that tan that I don't like.
Yeah.
Like Mercedes in the '80s. Oh, dude, we already wrote our first rap song for our Mercedes. They really liked this freaking color for some reason. But look at that, dude. OG leather interior. We got in here. Oh, nice. We got a little ashtray. What is that? A rolling paper or is that a straw wrapper?
That thing actually.
That's straw. Nice, sweet cargo net right there. Throw like toe straps, recovery straps in there. This thing was made for off-road. What do we got in here? Oh, what do we got back there? Some napkins. That's gross. I'm gonna leave that there. Hey, guys. Hey, don't hit my car, okay? Be careful. Look at this. Oh, there we go. Look at that. Fixed it. What we got? Oh, nice. We got some leaves and a screw. Oh, what is that? Is that a cup holder? Oh. Comfy back there?
Bounce to it too.
Yeah.
It has a lean to it too.
I've been really trying.
What
do you got? Dang, that's a little reading light back there.
Yeah.
Well, oh, dude, should we hire a driver? I don't like being driven. I'll be the driver. Want me to drive you around? Where are you trying to go?
To the club.
A lot of room in this bad boy. What do you got? Little ashtray. Light up. I don't know what any of these buttons is. I'm guessing this is all the air conditioning control. Dang, it's like an old tape player. I gotta say, man, I'm pretty impressed with this thing. I think we can make this thing cool. Maybe cut the top off. Hey, dog, you want to let's take it for a little cruise.
Let's go.
All right.
I'll get in the front.
All right. So this is what it's like, Chris, huh? The lap of luxury. Got ourselves our first Mercedes-Benz. How's it feel to ride in such style?
I feel rich.
Right?
This thing's smooth.
You know, they don't make suspension like this anymore. Nice and bouncy. What if I could take a picture now for my Instagram? You know, with my watch next to my Mercedes emblem. So aside from the rough idle, which I'm sure you guys can hear, she runs and drives really good. Third to fourth gear feels like it slips a little bit, which is like a little bit concerning, but I have a feeling we're gonna do much more damage to this thing than that. So as long as the tranny holds up long enough for us to play with it, I think we'll be all right. Let's get this old girl out on the freeway and see how she handles. It's the fastest we've got her up to. We're at 50, Chris. Are you nervous?
Doesn't feel like 50.
Right? Well, when you got such nice, supple suspension and seats that sink in about 8 inches, you know, it's like a big old boat.
Now I know why they're so expensive.
Yeah.
You get what you pay for.
It's true. All right, here we go. Cruising. 60. 65. I think 65 is about as fast as I want to go in this thing. As much as I enjoy the luxury, I think 65, we'll just call it good at 65. Now just imagine a nice hood stack right there, you know, as we're cruising. It might get in the, you know, field of view of the passenger, but Chris found the recline button. Look at this gangster over here. What happened, man? You sell your first mixtape? You brought yourself a Mercedes?
Heck yeah.
Woo! Man, hold on, let me pop your collar, bro.
Excuse me. You like my new car? You like my new car? He likes it.
Nice. And our Merc.
How's it going, man?
Not much.
You like the new ride?
Riding.
There you go.
Good one.
Ride safe. You made a new buddy or what?
Yeah. He likes the car.
Nice. I can see this being the new daily.
Heck yeah.
Right? We'll take this when we go out to nice events.
What do you think the gas mileage is on this thing?
I don't know. I hope the fuel gauge works. I was kind of worried about that. The tach doesn't work. It works sometimes. The oil pressure gauge just goes full pinned always when your foot's on the throttle. I don't know if that means anything. The odometer's broken.
Dave?
Dave? No, that's a Ford. You haven't been here since we've been closing out some of the podcast stuff, huh, buddy?
No.
I mean, it's kind of a mess. This whole place is kind of a mess right now, but
Jeez.
I mean, don't mind the ghetto moving blanket hanging from the ceiling, but
Man, what the hell's that?
what do you think, man? Wanna go have a seat? Have a seat at the podcast desk?
There's Dave's, there's yours.
What? What?
Like there's room for 3.
Yeah, Dave, me. What?
Oh, no.
Oh. Come on, Chris, you know we got a third microphone. We just gotta figure out, like, we need a third chair. You got me these two, can you find me another chair? We probably should have took 3, huh?
Dude, I told you.
Well, I didn't
There
know
was
we
like 5
needed
of
it.
them.
You literally, I've been holding on to these chairs for like, what, over a year?
Yeah.
Just waiting for something to use it for. I don't like storing stuff if I don't have to, but apparently we could have got more when Chris was cleaning out a warehouse. Look at that, buddy. You just look like you belong there. You think if we pull our new Mercedes apart, we can like reassemble it up here?
Yeah.
Right? And then we'll have like something cool to look at, you know? Big ballers with our Mercedes. Now that we got a Mercedes, we gotta bust a flow in here, some mad beats.
We got the mic, we got the room.
Right? We built a little booth in the corner.
Yeah, I seen like an episode of Cribs where like Little John, you know, he has some mattresses like right here.
Alright.
You know?
We could probably go find some mattresses out by the dumpster.
Yeah.
Get you in that corner? Alright, throw it down.
No,
Throw it down.
I
Throw it on the
got
floor
you. Here,
first.
right?
Yeah. Me and Chris driving a Mercedes, looking for ladies.
Damn,
What?
that was hard.
Oh, that's it? Alright, yeah.
That's it.
How's it? You think we should paint it?
I think we should paint it. I'm thinking like two-tone, like flat black on the hood, like the hood, whatever that's called.
That's a roof.
Okay, a roof,
A roof?
and maybe black out the rims.
Now, are we thinking like, you know, we gotta go to a body shop, or are we thinking like,
I mean, just do it ourselves.
we got any more gray from inside? Can we paint it the same office gray?
Some Swiss coffee.
Are you already,
What?
what are you doing?
I'm taping this shit off, bro.
Are you just gonna start painting it now?
Yeah.
Put some flames.
Can we do some flames?
Yeah, do some flames.
Shit.
Let's see it. Flame on the hood. Let's see you taking that
This
one
thing
art,
doesn't-
that
thing
one
don't-
art class in community college. Let's see. Struggling a little bit. It's not the red tape. I'll give you that.
3 hours later.
Hey, watch out, Mad Mike.
Yep.
Hey. Looks like it's going 100 miles an hour. It's not even moving. You're good, dude. You're good.
Thanks.
You should start a business doing that.
Think?
Yeah. Well, I gotta say, Chris, the thing runs great, kinda. Drives pretty dang good. Drives really good, actually. Runs decent, drives really good. Let's just put it that way. I think this would be a good little holdover until we find that elusive LBZ that I've been trying to find forever. That apparently, yeah, good luck finding one. But you know, we got a diesel project in the warehouse. I think it's gonna be cool to be our first little beater diesel here. And I don't know. Let's see if we can blow this thing up. With that, we're gonna wrap up this video. As always, if you guys have not subscribed to my channel, please click the subscribe button now that you do not miss out on any future sweet diesel Mercedes content. I mean, now that we're like, you know, I feel like I've hit the big time, you know, and I want to thank you guys. I want to thank you guys for getting the YouTube channel as big as it is to where I can go out and I can afford to buy me a Mercedes. I mean, it feels good. It feels like I might have to change my outfit, you know, I might have to start wearing a suit, you know, carrying a briefcase. I could see that, right? Or do you like more leisurely when you're in a Mercedes? I don't know. We gotta get some Gucci. So, some carpet clean. We need to get some carpet clean outfit. So make sure you guys subscribe to the channel so you do not miss out on any future content. Don't forget to give this video a like, aka a thumbs up. Thumbs up for Chris's Flames. Can we get a thumbs up for Chris's Flames? Don't forget to check out workforapparel.com, because if there's anything you want in this life, I mean, if you want to dream big and purchase something really nice, like a nice Mercedes Benz, you got to be willing to work for it. You guys are the best. Chris, stop trying to steal the emblem and say roll the outro.
Roll the outro.
Yeah. Yeah.